United 277 on the go.
United 277, go around.
On the go, out of 700.
United 277, turn left heading 260, maintain 3,100.
260 and maintain 3,600, United 277.
United, correction, Southwest 1179, are you departing?
We never got that clearance. Somebody blocked it.
Okay, so you shouldn't be on the runway. Southwest 1179, exit at Charlie 2, turn right on Charlie, traffic short final for that runway.
Charlie 2, Charlie for Southwest 1179. The last clearance we got was the whole lineup and wait for Southwest 1179.
I don't need an argument on frequency. United 277, contact from 135.1.
1351, United 277.
Alaska 553, go around.
Alaska 553 is going around.
Alaska 553, fly runway heading and maintain 3,000.
Runway heading 3,000, Alaska 550.